I'd been interested in Bitcoin for a couple of years, but really just on a from a tangential point of view, I thought it was an interesting experiment. In some respects, it still is, although it's probably gone a lot further than an experiment. And I'd been running a small technology startup in Chicago that actually was focused on creating ratings for management consultants, if you can believe that. Because I thought that might be a useful tool, having been in the management consulting business, that maybe other businesses would like to know how good the various consulting firms that they would be working with. And it was pretty clear that whatever business model we had figured out at that time was not going to work. So a pivot was needed. And it was an interesting observation at that time. There was kind of an explosion of altcoins and different types of issuers of these products. And the first, let's say, meta protocols, which at the time were Mastercoin on Bitcoin and Omni, which Mastercoin became, and Counterparty, and the fact that there were new blockchain or distributed ledger technology platforms out there like Ripple, and shortly thereafter Stellar, and others that allowed the issue of digital tokens that represented something other than the native token itself, whatever that might be. And it dawned on me that perhaps it would be useful to have some kind of rating system for these particular issuers, platforms, tokens, etc. Now, all of that in hindsight seems obvious, but in 2013 was probably a little bit early.